In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert nodes in Inkscape. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned designer, knowing how to manipulate paths and add detail to your vector graphics is a fundamental skill that will take your illustrations to the next level. Adding nodes effectively allows you to sculpt your paths with much higher precision, and today, we are going to cover 3 distinct methods to do this efficiently. If this video helps you out today, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more comprehensive design tutorials. To get started, let's look at the basic setup. You must first select the Node tool, which you can find in the left-hand toolbar, or simply by pressing the N key on your keyboard. Once active, click on your path to reveal the existing nodes. If you are working with live text or basic shapes like rectangles or circles, you must first convert them to paths by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus C. This step is crucial because nodes can only be added to defined paths, not dynamic shapes. Once your path is ready, the first and most visual method is the double-click technique. Simply hover your mouse icon over the specific segment of the path where you want the new point to appear. When you are happy with the placement, double-click directly on the path. A new node will instantly be created at that exact spot, allowing you to drag it and reshape your design immediately. This is perfect for quick, intuitive adjustments. The second method involves using the Insert button for uniform spacing. This is great when you need mathematical precision. First, select 2 or more existing nodes on your path by clicking and dragging over them. In the Tool Controls bar located at the very top of the Inkscape interface, locate the icon that looks like a plus sign over a line. This is the Insert New Nodes into Selected Segments tool. When you click it, Inkscape will place a new node exactly halfway between every single pair of selected nodes. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, simply pressing the Insert key on your keyboard will perform the same action. This ensures your nodes are perfectly centered between the original ones. For those of you who need maximum density for more complex sculpting or high-detail deformation, our third method is the way to go. Select a path segment and press the Insert key multiple times in a row. Each time you press the key, Inkscape doubles the number of nodes by placing new ones in the geometric center of every existing segment. This is an incredibly fast way to generate high node density. Now for some important tips to keep in mind. When you insert a node using these methods, Inkscape automatically calculates the handles for the new node. This is a smart feature that ensures the original shape of your curve does not change or warp when the node is added. Remember, you cannot insert nodes while using the Selection tool, which is the S key. You must be in the Node tool mode. If you ever make a mistake and add a node you don't need, just select it and press Delete or Backspace to remove it instantly. To recap your shortcuts, N for the Node tool, the Insert key to add nodes, and double-click to add nodes precisely at your mouse position. And that's it! You have successfully mastered adding nodes in Inkscape. If this video helped, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more tips. Thanks for watching!